Hey everyone, if you finished building a website, app, or software project in Bolt AI and want to save it to your computer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to download projects from Bolt AI step by step in 2026. First, sign in to your Bolt AI account and open the project you want to download. Before exporting anything, make sure all recent changes have been saved successfully. Next, review your project carefully. Check the pages, components, code, layouts, and functionality to ensure everything is working the way you want before downloading the files. Once you're ready, look for the Export, Download, or Project Settings option within the workspace. Depending on the current version of Bolt AI, the location may vary slightly. Open the Export menu and review the available download options. Some projects may be downloaded as source code files, compressed folders, or framework-specific packages. Choose the export format that best matches your needs. If you're planning to continue development locally, download the complete project package whenever possible. And that's how to download projects from Bolt AI in 2026. With just a few clicks, you can save your work, continue development locally, and maintain full control over your project files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.